Hi class, this is Russ again. Um, I thought I'd give you an example, another example of using the Eclipse interactive development environment to author some Java programs. I haven't seen any of you guys post today, so I'm assuming that by your silence that you're able to make good progress on getting up and running with your Eclipse environment. So here's I thought I would just run through an example, a quick example from your text. This is problem number uh, 117 from chapter 1 of your text. I thought I'd just briefly run through it. I don't want to bug you too much, but um, it, 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 it's an example of using graphical user interfaces in Java, and I thought it was kind of interesting to use. Don't be too concerned about what this is, but this is basically a package, a Java package that allows you to manipulate URLs, and a URL, of course, is a universal resource locator, which is essentially a web address, something that you type in your browser. But don't be too concerned. We'll talk more about these as the term goes on, and so. Um, in programming 2, we'll talk a lot about these particular packages that we'll need for graphical user interface development in that class. But don't be too concerned about this. I'm just working through the example. I haven't seen this program run before, so I was curious as to what it actually does. Um, let's see, we need swing. Swing is the graphical is a graphical package that Java uses, and if this program works correctly, you'll get a taste of it. So let's see. Okay, so this is the part that you probably should be concerned with. Public, what? Public class example2, example2, and then of course we need our main method, right? So we'll go public static void main string. If I can type, I can't type today for some reason. String args. Okay, and then, all right, so here we go. So in this question, it asks you to type this in. So image, URL, image location, right? Image location equals new URL. Okay, and here's my URL. Okay, and then we need to display that image, right? So a web image, I guess. J option pane dot what? Show message dialog. And they give you a bunch of arguments, none of which I know anything about, but it's just go ahead and run it. I assume it's okay to run. I'll trust the author, right? Title J option pane dot plain message. Okay, and then we need a new object, a new, what is it, icon, image icon, right? Icon, and that would be our image location, which is the URL. Okay, so I have no idea how this program is going to work. So let's see. I guess it should say file, save all. What is this? This looks like there's an error. Oh yeah, it says, oh, okay. One of the nice things about the Java IDE is when you use a command like this that I'm not familiar with, like this new URL, it says unhandled exception type, malformed exception. And then it actually suggests um, to fix this. And then, so one of the things we can do is, and you don't need to know this, but it says it tells you to add a throw exception as one choice. So let's just do that and watch what happens. Um, it adds this additional code, and then you notice that the red squiggle line is gone. And so evidently that fixed the a problem with this using this particular library. All right, so who knows? It's a little bit different from what's in the book, but so what? Okay, so let's see. Okay, and there it is. Oh, interesting. Okay, so you get this little icon with the message saying hello in a pop-up box. that might be something useful to tack onto your programs at a future date. But don't worry about too much about the technical details. We're just having fun here for now. So if you have any questions about this program, feel free to post. Any concerns, feel free to post. Any issues with Eclipse, please post. Okay, so I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.